How to fix an HP computer running Windows 11 that restarts unexpectedly. If your HP computer restarts randomly, there are a few steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. Step 1. Disable the automatic restart option to view error messages. Errors might occur but not display if the automatic restart setting is enabled. Disabling this option allows the computer to display error messages instead of restarting. You might be able to use the information in the error message to resolve the issue. From the taskbar, search for and open View Advanced System Settings. In the Startup and Recovery section, select Settings. Uncheck the box next to Automatically Restart and then select OK. Restart the computer. Now, instead of restarting automatically when a problem occurs, a blue screen displays useful information. You can search for a resolution using the information in the error message. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Step 2. Check for failed hardware. By running HP PC hardware diagnostics for Windows, you can isolate and identify hardware issues on your HP computer that might be causing it to restart unexpectedly. HP PC Diagnostics for Windows comes pre-installed on new HP computers or can be downloaded from hp.com/go/techcenter/PC-diags. To open the utility in Windows, search for and select HP PC Hardware Diagnostics Windows. If prompted, select Yes to allow the application to make changes to your computer. Select Computer Tests. There are two system tests you can run to diagnose hardware issues: a System Fast Test and a System Extensive Test. HP recommends running a fast test first to quickly check the computer. Select Start Fast Test. The fast test begins and might take a few minutes to complete. Once the test is complete, each test displays as passed or failed. To obtain even more information, you can run the extensive test, which provides you with more detail regarding the condition of your hardware. If a test fails, select See Description next to the failure and write down the 24-digit failure ID. For help with a component failure, go to hp.com/contact-hp and follow the prompts to get the warranty options for your computer. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Step 3. Update the BIOS to resolve unexpected restarts in Windows. Updating the Basic Input-Output System, or BIOS for short, through HP Support Assistant can solve unexpected restart issues. HP Support Assistant comes pre-installed on new HP computers or can be downloaded from support.hp.com/help/HP-support-assistant. To open the app in Windows, search for and select HP Support Assistant. Under your device, select Updates. If a new BIOS update is available, check the box next to the Update and then select Download and Install. Once the download completes, restart your PC. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Step 4. Perform a Windows System Reset. Performing a system reset reinstalls Windows to the latest version available while keeping your personal data and most Windows settings intact. Search for and open Settings on your desktop. Select the Recovery tile in the System Settings window. Next to Reset this PC, select the Reset PC button. A window appears with a few options for how you would like to reset your PC. Follow the prompts and select options based on your reset preferences to complete the reset. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Step 5. Uninstall the latest Windows 11 update. If the unexpected restarts begin to occur after a Windows update or an automatic update, uninstall the most recent update. From the taskbar, search for and select Uninstall Updates. Find the most recent update and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to continue with the uninstall, and once the uninstallation completes, restart your PC. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.